Just acquired this lovely Ford Kuga titanium. It's finished in jet black, alloy wheels, front park distance control, rear park distance control. Bodywork's in lovely condition, as you can see from the video. Privacy glass to the rear. Boot area is in lovely condition. It has a parcel shelf as well. DJH, we picture and video the videos all outside for better viewing. We have the cars all inside the showroom. So it's all weather, lovely half leather seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights. Done 80,914 miles. Comes with sync, which incorporates satellite navigation, climate control, lane assist. Just load the navigation up for you. So yeah, we've got auto parking, lane assist, 6-speed gearbox. It's the facelift model interior. It's got cruise control as well. Satellite navigation. Back to the home menu. It's also got Bluetooth. It's a really high spec car. DJH. We offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.